So here we have another question of data sufficiency. Very easy question, not a difficult one, but it's a question, so we have to discuss it. Is x an integer? Now, it will give you some idea about the number system. It says the first statement says कि x over 2 is an integer. First statement is saying this. Now x over 2 is an integer, that means whenever x is divided by that, x over 2 is an integer. That means this shows that x is divisible by 2. That means it is a even number. An even number is an integer. So first statement already giving me the answer. So option B, option C and option E cannot be the answer. Now the second statement is saying that 2 times of x is an integer. Now if I will take in this case 2x is even number. This is an even number. 2x is an even number. Maybe this is saying but 2 times of x, if x is an integer, then it would be an even number, which comes in the mind of a student. Okay, it is an even number, but it is actually not true. This is not true. What is why? Because 2 times of x is an integer. That means if I will take x as, if I am taking x as 5 by 2. So what is 2 times of x? 2 times of 5 by 2. So it will give you 5, which is an integer. Obviously it is an integer. But is x an integer? No. No. See, whenever these type of question will come, they says that 2x is an integer. So I have to counter this statement. I have to go against the statement. I will say that 2x is not an integer if I will prove with any of the example, then this statement is not giving me the answer. First statement always giving me the answer, but this statement 2x is an integer is not giving. I have one option, if 5 by 2, if x is 5 by 2, so 2 times of that would be an integer, which is 5. So it would be an integer. So it is not giving me the answer. That means option D is not the answer. A is the answer. So option A. This would be the proper answer of this question. Got it?